Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. So tell me about your book.
So it's a short story based on the scientist who invents this breakthrough device that can teleport him anywhere, and it goes wrong, and he finds himself on this mysterious planet. So how he returns back home is basically the plot of the story.
That sounds really interesting. I'm really curious to know the whole writing process. Can you brief me?
Yeah, it was not very complicated. I just wanted to make the story perfectly paced, include a lot of action elements, and drew inspiration from the various TV shows and movies I have seen. So.
Any challenge or difficulty you faced during the whole process?
Making sure that it was not too rushed. The plot was not too rushed, and it made sense, and that the viewers actually understood what was going on and how we ended up in this planet, while making it interesting was a challenge.
Should we look forward to more of your books?
Sure, definitely working on something right now. So.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.